I'm Alec Baird, and I'm the fabrication director at Contech Industries. So prior to having our own manufacturing facility here, we subbed out all of our manufacturing. So we had a couple of machine shops here locally. We use DEI, Dale Earnhardt Industries. So we didn't really do any machining in-house other than small prototyping. A lot of our stuff was custom, and so to design it, have the customer look at it, have somebody else build it, bring it in and say, oh, we wanted to move a hole a ½ inch to the right, we have to send it back out, that part's lost. We can't do much prototyping here. So now that we have it in-house, we can have more direct control over our own processes. We had an opportunity there to save money and make better products, and then also learn a new way of doing things, and kind of opens up another vertical too. I just recently had an example of what normally would have been a 16-week lead time for a customer if we had shopped it out. I got a product done in 2 weeks because we could build it in-house. I could build it out of different materials, and so I machined everything out of stainless in-house, put the parts together in-house, and shipped them out in 2 weeks. So we can help GCs better by being here in Kannapolis, especially a lot of our customers are on. We've got good shipping lanes here. We can get material. We've got a lot of material suppliers that you don't have out in the Midwest and so on. A lot of it plays into the workforce we can pull in here too. So you've got a lot of experienced fabricators from being close to the home of NASCAR. It's where I can go out on the street and find 4 or 5 extra good welders if a GC comes to me with a big project that my current shop can't support. A lot of places don't have that talent base that we have here.